Say hello to the latest in meeting room solutions with the HP Presence. I'm Emily Hulme and I'm part of the higher education team here at CompNow. The HP Presence is designed for hybrid working, creating more of a human connection for your team. Let's start with my favourite part, the C4K AI camera. This device is nothing short of superb studio quality video. The camera will wake up when you enter the room, so it's plug and play, ready for your next meeting. The automatically adjusting framing is top-notch and gives you a clean, no-fuss experience. The picture-in-picture is a game changer for those meetings where you can't tell who's speaking. It automatically creates a zoomed-in box in the corner so viewers at home feel like they're in the room with you. Next, it's time to get hands-on with the HP Presence Control. This low-profile 8-inch screen with Bang & Olufsen mics and speakers really blends into your space. I really like the design and I find it so easy to fit into any huddle or small teams room meeting solution. On the side of the controller is the HP Presence secret weapon with the USB-C and HDMI ports. These not only allow you to share content with your team's meeting, but also gives you guest access, unlocking the 4K AI camera, mics and speakers for other meeting providers such as Zoom and WebEx. The HP Presence is all powered by a mini conferencing PC mounted under the table. Out of sight, out of mind. The mounting solutions are provided in the box with all of the required cables, colour-coded for easy install. We have a great solution with the Microsoft Teams Room Premium, which empowers your organisation to manage your Teams Room solutions remotely, giving larger organisations full control across multiple meeting rooms. This is just one of the certified product solutions for Microsoft Teams Rooms. See the full series on our YouTube channel. If you would like to know more, please get in touch with your CompNow account manager or email us at info@compnow.com.au.